Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. Like I said yesterday in my video that I did, and I'm going to update you today on the casting of parapet design and the reinforcements. As you can see now, this is the 6 mm rod that connects the precast to the 12 mm rods. You can see, and then we have two pieces on each panel, as you can see, to make it strong. And now when we cast it, it will be strong, and then it's something I can give you guarantee that it will never fall. So, but when you manage materials, you see there will be a problem on the project. But this now, we don't manage cement, the reinforcements, we didn't manage it, as you can see. So after this now, we do our casting. The mixing is on ground. You can see we have mixed it, but we want to complete the reinforcement before casting. You can contact us on 080 63098718. The casting will begin very soon. The casting will begin soon, as you can see. When the casting begins, we update you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.